Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make $1,000 daily trading rise and fall in Deriv. Right now I've analyzed the market, I've identified the market is a rise market in the 51s, so I'll just come here, put rise, and then my initial amount, my win amount is set, my martingale is set, so I'll just proceed and run my bot, okay? Yeah, let me show you how you guys can be making profits daily, trading rise and fall, okay? The first one is a loss, but losses happen, never fear them, okay? They happen. So let us see. I'm using a martingale of 3 because as I said, my account is quite big right now. Yeah, so that is why I'm using such a martingale. Okay, I'm just aiming for 1,000 and I'm out of the market. Okay, that is the benefit of having a big capital. You can be able to make quite a lot just by having a good strategy, and that is it. Okay, just require a good strategy and you're done. Okay, as you can see, just like that. Congratulations, you have achieved $1,334. Guys, and I'll repeat and repeat again, have good capital. Once you have enough capital, you can be making like an amazing amounts of income per day. As you can see, I've made $1,000 just from 8 runs. Okay, trading rise and fall with a stake of 100. So first of all, ensure you have a good strategy. As I've said, if you want this strategy, it is on the channel. Go check it out. The rise and fall video is out. I've used 8 runs with 5 on. Okay, yeah. So please ensure you have a good capital. It will become so easy for you. Okay, yeah. For any more information, please ensure you comment down in the comment section or WhatsApp me. And for those who need bots, I'll give you more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents extremely affordably. Okay, I've worked hard to look for the best bots in the market, so please ensure you WhatsApp me. And guys, if you need classes are ongoing, you are missing out. But basically, guys, this is how you can be making income every single day in Deriv. So if you've ever doubted Deriv, please never do such a thing. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching until the end. And guys, let us meet in the next one.